I've been exploring the USAA app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the USAA app. First, let's talk about what the USAA Mobile App actually offers. USAA is an organization built by military members for military members, and the app is designed to meet the unique financial and insurance needs of service members, veterans, and their families. On the surface, the USAA mobile app is all about convenience and security. It lets you access your accounts anywhere, handle your banking, manage insurance policies, and even view investments, all from a single mobile interface. You can pay bills, transfer money, send funds through Zelle, deposit checks, and locate a nearby ATM with just a few taps. If you have USAA insurance, you can access your auto ID card, request roadside assistance, and file claims directly in-app. Security is taken seriously here, with options like PIN, Touch ID, or Face ID login. There's even widget support, so you can check account balances and recent transactions without opening the app. Now, let's talk about the positives. First, the app's security features give you peace of mind, especially with financial data. The layout is intuitive, and most core functions are easy to find. Integrating banking, insurance, and investments into one platform means fewer apps to juggle. The smart search and chat features help quickly locate tools or information without endless scrolling. For iPhone and iPad users, performance is smooth, and the app works seamlessly across devices, including Apple Watch. USAA continually updates the app, and the rating is a strong 4.8 out of 5 from over 2 million reviews, which speaks to user satisfaction. The app's widget feature is genuinely useful, allowing quick balance checks from the home screen. But it's not perfect. Some users have noted that certain features vanish after updates, such as the Add a Transaction tool, which was a rarity in banking apps and incredibly valuable for budgeting. When USAA removed it, many were frustrated, as it allowed tracking pending expenses easily. Others have pointed out that credit card balances don't fully reflect pending transactions in real time, unlike checking accounts, which can make daily spending harder to track without manual calculations. While performance is generally solid, occasional bugs can affect specific features until the next update. Another consideration is privacy. The app does collect data linked to your identity, including location and usage data, so those who are sensitive about data collection might take note of this. Overall, the USAA mobile app is a strong, secure, and highly integrated solution for military members and their families, making everyday banking and insurance management easier. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.